Hello culinary adventurers! Today we are going to prepare a super special recipe to relieve ear inflammation using 3 powerful ingredients: garlic, olive oil, and honey. Let's start with the garlic. Did you know that garlic is a natural antibiotic? It contains a substance called allicin, which helps fight bacteria and viruses that can cause ear inflammation. In addition, garlic is rich in antioxidants, which makes it a great ally to strengthen the immune system. So, here is the recipe. Ingredients: 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey. Method of preparation: start by finely chopping 2 cloves of garlic and place them in a bowl. Add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and a tablespoon of honey. Mix well until everything is fully incorporated. Place the mixture on a spoon and bring it to your mouth, swallowing without chewing. And voila! This mixture is super effective in relieving inflammation in the ear. Now let's know a little more about its properties. Garlic has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which help to decrease inflammation in the ear, helping to alleviate symptoms of otitis such as ear pain or discomfort. Olive oil is known to be a natural remedy for earaches as it helps fight excess earwax. It has some antibacterial properties. Honey has anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and healing properties, in addition to add a delicious, smoothing flavor. It's a perfect match. Now you have an easy and delicious recipe to help treat ear inflammation. Don't forget to always consult a doctor if the pain persists. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next culinary adventure.